Okay, today is Saturday and it's maintenance day, and you know, we have a lot of plans. So for maintenance today, I think I'm gonna do, and everything's gonna be at home, by the way, because in this economy right now, girl, I cannot even imagine paying to go to a hairdresser, paying for your nails, your toes, paying for your eyebrows, paying for all of that. Upwards in this economy, you might be reaching totals of like $1,000 with everything, and that is just not smart with where we are in life right now, and that's just not sustainable right now. So we're gonna be a DIY girly. And you know, it's never bad to just learn how to do a little 1-2 at home. So we're gonna shave our face, we're gonna do our eyebrow maintenance. Even though they don't look too bad right now, I'm just gonna shape them up a little bit more. We're gonna do our nails, okay? And then what else? I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to do my toes today, but my toes need to be done expeditiously. So I don't know if I have enough time to do that, but we're also going to dye my hair jet black. Dye my hair jet black. We're in my beauty room right now, and most of the things that we needed to do are done. And yes, you've seen me do my skincare, which is the turmeric scrub that I leave on my face for like a few minutes, just so that I can, you know, help with the dark spots that are on my face. Most of my dark spots like happen on the outer skirts of my face, and most of my my problem area in my adulthood, like my second puberty, has been my chin. And just let me know if you relate, because girl, what, I don't even know what is that. It's so nasty and so rude. It's so annoying. But yeah, this right here is mainly my problem area. This is where like my most thick, coarse hair grows. This is where like all my acne is growing. And yeah, so my chin is darker than the rest of my face. But we did our eyebrows. Even though they didn't need a bunch of work, we just touched them up super quickly. They're not super neat and super precise. That's just because I don't really like a too like perfect brow anyways, just because like, I don't know. I just like the way that these look. These are thin but full. If you probably go back to my older videos, you will see that my eyebrows are naturally just super thick. And yeah, you see my scarf is trying to come off a little bit. We dyed our hair jet black. Love it. So yeah, you guys see me do my skincare, you seen me do my eyebrows, you see me shave my face because it was getting a little hairy, you know. Shaved my face. I dyed my hair jet black. I'm so excited. Yeah, I don't want to take it down, but it was already falling low-key. It's so black. Like, oh, I love it. It looks so good. I think the contrast with like my skin tone and my eyes are super dark. My eyebrows are super prominent and dark. So like having super dark hair is just like makes a lot of sense because it adds to the contrast of what makes up me. You know what I mean? I don't know if that makes sense. But if I were to like dye my hair lighter, I would have to probably like dye my eyebrows as well, just so that everything could be a little more cohesive. Because I feel like if I were to dye my hair a lighter color then, and I didn't like dye my eyebrows or something like that, like it would look a little strange, look a little weird. But this looks super cohesive, like jet black hair, my stark eyebrows, and then my super dark eyes. That's just how I am, you know what I mean? So I have to be ready by, I want to say like 1:30, 1:45, and it's 12:26 at the moment. So I think we're running on good time. I came out of the shower feeling brand new. I love that feeling. I'm wearing my pink robe just to feel like a little pretty princess, you know. And yeah, we put on our moisturizers, everything. I just feel so good right now. I love the feeling of being moisturized and right out the shower. Everything is just so fresh, so clean, smells amazing. But yeah, I'm about to do my makeup so that my makeup is already done and that my hair is like the last thing that I'm gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough time to do my nails. If I do, it will probably only be enough time to do like a polish change. Even though these are press-ons, I can file this and shape it to make it look more crisp and better, and then I could paint the color that I was going to do anyway was navy, not navy, dark red. I don't know why I said navy. Dark red. I was going to do a dark red color just because it's still cutesy fall, and you know, I want to be in the season. I know I definitely don't have time to do my toes right in this moment before I leave, so hopefully I'll have time to do my nails because I don't want to walk out looking crusty, messy, dusty. Even though these don't look super bad, like the shape is not as crisp as I want it to be. And then, you know, I was trying to switch it up with the color, but we'll see. So I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna let you watch me do my makeup. if you can see me. Okay, that's better. The makeup is done. She looks gorgina. I like it. Okay, so the hair looks good, right? But we're gonna straighten her. Sorry. It's just that season, you know? It's silk press season. And, you know, I love my curls, but my curls thrive the best in the summertime. So let's just like go with the vibes, okay? For my blowout, I'm gonna use this Kenra Silkening gloss. I use this in my hair. I use this Silkening heat cream from Kenra in my hair as well. And then on top of that, I use Silk Infusion right before I'm about to straighten it by Chi. This is an oldie but goodie. Like, I've been using this ever since I started doing my hair, like my own hair. And then this is an oldie but goodie too. I've used this before and I just recently went back. This is the Garnier Fructis Flat Iron Protector. I like this one too. So I put all 4 of those products all throughout my hair, and then this one I do right before I'm about to straighten my hair, and the other 3 I use when I'm about to do my blow dry brush. I have the Revlon blow dry brush thingy majigger. I have 2 of them. I have the big one and then I have the smaller one. Yeah, so I'm about to blow out my hair and then I think I'm gonna straighten it. So let me get to it. This is my hair. This is how it turned out. I have my extensions in right now, but this is how my hair turned out. Pretty cute. I am obsessed. Like, obsessed. I love jet black down, okay? Jet black down. Jet black, she's just gonna eat every single time. Love that. But yeah, I'm about to go eat. I didn't have enough time to do my nails, but that's okay. I'm about to go eat, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned, stay cute, stay blessed.